action cameras are small, lightweight, wearable, mountable, portable, and sometimes waterproof. They're helpful because you can mount them to pretty much anything from skateboards, surfboards, and bicycles to helmets, body parts, and even your pets. In this video, we will talk about the top 5 action cameras available in the market. We select all products depending on quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. We are giving these 5 product links in the description. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Number 5. Ecasa Brave 7 La 4K 30 FPS 20 MP. A good 4K videotape for lower than $150 has a frontal display. The Bravo is quite the deal. The body is water resistant but includes various mounts, 2 batteries, a bowl, and a wrist remote. It also consists of a dive casing suitable for 40 measures, 131 bases. A touch screen on the reverse lets you tap through its simple interface to change modes and camera settings. This 4K action camera offers several shooting options, including videotape and print time-lapse modes, slow stir, and circle recording. In addition, it has diving and driving modes. The former compensates for the lack of red light in underwater scenes, and the ultimate will turn on and off with your auto when you have the camera connected to your automobile for power. As for picture quality, you will want to keep this budget action camera set to 4K 30 with the image stabilization and videotape quality set to high for stylish results. Also, while it offers a solid blend of judgments and frame rates, not all have image stabilization, including 1080x120 for slow stir. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action. For a company known for its camera drones, DJI did a lot right with its first action cam. One of its special features is its frontal color screen. Osmo Action might be small, but it's enough to ensure you're centered in the shot when the camera lens is facing you on a selfie stick. Another great point of the camera is that it responds to state commands. The view can be switched with voice control. It's also leak-proof and rugged with removable lens covers. It has excellent electronic image stabilization, shoots HDR videotape, and customizable presets so you can control the firing modes you want without diving into menus. This is a perfect leak-proof camera for people looking for better control when shooting pranks in. Number 3. GoPro Hero 8 Black. The Idol 8 Black's image quality, stabilization, and features are not too far from what you get with the Idol 9 Black, but its price is more affordable. This 4K videotape camera was the company's first to feature the redesigned leak-proof casing body with erected and mounting fritters to attach the camera directly to a GoPro mount. This HD videotape camera also has a customizable interface with firing presets, better videotape stabilization, and image quality from the Idol 7 Black. The lens, while not removable like the 9's, is made with Gorilla Glass, double as impact resistant as the glass on one's Hero models. Number 2. Insta360 ONE 1-inch edition. While GoPro has long called itself the most pristine camera, the Insta360 ONE takes versatility to another position. At that moment, the module options include a 4K videotape wide-angle camera for that traditional 4K action camera experience with 4K footage, a binary lens 360-degree camera, and a Leica finagled camera with a 1-inch detector for the stylish image quality is possible indeed in low-light conditions. Each camera has its unique capabilities letting you push your creativity. Still, should you get wedged, the company's mobile app and the Insta360 community are a constant source of alleviation. Speaking of the mobile app, it has super intelligent editing features that make it easy to produce shareable clips. Still, one of the stylish corridors of the Insta360 ONE is that the company always stops perfecting it and adding features. For illustration, it just streamlined the device so it can be used as a webcam, and with the camera's Wi-Fi, you can now live stream with the 360 camera. Number 1. GoPro Hero 9 Black. This is the stylish single-lens action camera you can get from GoPro at the moment in features and performance. Compared with the Idol 8 Black, there are new tools for prints and vids like being suitable to record recordings or set them for a specific duration from 15 seconds to 3 hours, and it now records at 5K at 30 frames per second. That might sound like overabundance, but you can pull grandly quality stills from the videotape, making 5K videotape good for when you cannot choose between getting a movie or stills. Still, the most significant changes are in the design of the GoPro camera. The Idol 9 Black is more meaningful to accommodate a bigger, more critical battery. It also allows you to add lenses, including the new GoPro Max Mod lens that gives you an ultra-wide view with hyper-smooth stabilization. To know the latest price, please check the description box. We are giving these 5 product links in the description. You can comment below if you have any questions about these 5 products. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.